Well, just got the OMG 50 watt JPT fiber laser in today, so I'm going to do a little unboxing review. I won't have time to set the laser up and run it today, but I will do a little review on how well it's packed and how good the laser looks. So let's get started prying this box open. No, it's not the most professional of videos. Got to do it with my phone. I'm not really set up to do like high quality videos, but still get it done. Shipping was really quick. Richard's really good about keeping in contact with you too in case you have any questions about shipping. He also took care of all the customs fees. Really well priced laser. And it got here within, I think I placed the order 2.5 weeks ago. So for me placing the order through receiving 2.5 weeks of time, it's not too bad. Apologize for the noise in the shop too. I've got the Cerakote up and running and AC as well. This thing is very well packaged, we'll say that. And it's in a small package too. The last laser I ordered, I didn't order through Richard. I ordered through, I think, Newegg. It was a 30 watt. And I'll show you the crate it came in just a second. It's huge. Sorry, kind of got out of the camera there. Yeah, I actually had my phone propped up on the 30 watt tote that it came in. That thing was gigantic. All right, last one. So let's see if I can get this off. Let me just show you guys in comparison. That's the box that Richard sent. Easy to deal with, easy to move, well packaged. That's the box the 30 watt came in. Not from Richard, that was from another source. I do like that the packaging is more maintainable. I prefer to keep the packaging. I would suggest that to everybody as well if they order a laser. I had to make a 5-hour move to where I'm at now, and it was very helpful to have all the original packing to put the laser back in when I moved to keep it secure. So here, let's go ahead and take everything off here. Good padding, got the OMG laser logo on it. Dig it. Oh yeah. Oh wow, cool. Came with a measuring stick as well. That's pretty cool. I'm actually a welder, so I could probably cut that up and make a T-post out of it as a focal stick. Or just use it to measure parts with. Good amount of packing stuff. Way more, actually more packing material in here than was in the big crate that I got from another source, which is pretty crazy. This is very well managed. Okay, so I repositioned the camera so that I can try to get all this stuff out without messing anything up here. When you order a fiber, you want to definitely be careful with this cable here. This is your fiber optic cable. You don't want to bend it. If you bend it more than just like a soft loop, then it can break your fiber optic line, and then you're kind of stuck in the water. So there we go. Looks like I got one focus laser on there, which is what I'm used to. So that's good. We have our tower. Nice quality. Good weight to that. I like that. Got the little flip up knob so you can adjust it. Real smooth. Alright, now let's see if we can get this power source out. What else do we have here? Cables. Power. Allen wrenches to adjust anything on here you might need to adjust. Got some metal blocks here to put on the fiber laser bed for making right angles and lining up business cards and such. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like a good bit of stuff in here. Like a kid at Christmas. I might not have time to plug this up and use it, but I can say from experience, I have ran one of Richard's 50 watts before, and they're smooth as butter. Really, really good working machines. That's the USB cable we'll link it to your PC with. Then we have, looks like some metal business cards in here. Let's see, let's just rip it open. What is this? Got your USB dongle, gotta have that. Don't lose that one. Blocks for lining up stuff on your laser bed. See what other nifty little things we have in here. Not real sure what this is. Oh, extra fuses. Cool. So we got some extra fuses in case you blow a fuse. That's pretty awesome. Looks like a 50 or 100 pack of business cards. That's awesome there. Thank you, Richard. And Richard Zhang's business card as well. I know it's backwards on the camera. Sorry guys, my camera work is horrible. There we go, Richard Zhang. In case anybody wants a laser, there you go. That's where you get it from. I'm gonna prop this back up here. My expert camera skills here. Sorry. So let's see what else we got. Let me move this tower out of the way. Get our power source out. Now it does have a handle on the top. I'm not sure that I can use the handle to get it out of here with because it's so tightly packed. But I can pick it up. Here we go. Set it down on the crate here. And that's the power source. Looks like it does take a key. You get two of them. Got your emergency stop and your red light, which means the laser is powered on. Be careful. Nice heavy power source. As opposed to the 30 watt that I have, it's not quite as heavy. Let's see what else we got here. Laser bed, of course, which your tower will mount to right there. And then all your screw holes, in case you want to use the little aluminum blocks to line up stuff with. Nice laser bed. Came with a foot switch, which I use frequently. Safety goggles, very important. If you're going to be looking at that thing for any length of time, wear your safety goggles. Oh, that's cool. Little nifty thing here. Awesome deal. And that's it. That's everything out of the box. So let's recap real quick. So we got your laser. I believe he sent me a 150 millimeter lens with this one. Your focus beam there, your tower, laser bed, power source, foot switch, some extra goodies Richard sent along, safety glasses, and then we have Allen wrenches. That's for adjusting all the parameters you can adjust manually on the laser. Your USB dongle, extra fuses, some aluminum lineup blocks, and your linkage cable for your PC, and a ruler stick. Forgot about that. Sent the old ruler stick. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the unboxing. Unfortunately, I don't have the space. I have a table on order to set here so that I can set up both lasers, and I don't have it currently. But you can bet your bottom dollar, as soon as that table comes in, I'll be out here burning everything I can with that 50 watt. Thank you, Richard.